Good morning, friends. This is Kelly. Does anybody at home have a drawer like this, the catch-all drawer, where everything's just thrown in there? Well, I'm cleaning mine today, so come along with me. There's no telling what I'm going to find in here, so we're just going to take everything out. I always buy extra batteries, and I guarantee you there's batteries that's in here. As you can see, I did organize this not too long ago, but, you know, sometimes you just get in a hurry and you toss stuff in here. And I'll borrow my husband's tools and I'll toss them in here. So I need to put all of this stuff back, don't you think? Okay, so, I told you, some more batteries. I had 2 of them left, but I bought a new one, so that's good. It's always good to have batteries, because you just never know what you need them for. Okay, this is for, I don't even remember what that's for. It's for something, but I don't know. Anyway, oh, here's some chalk. There's some chalk for my menu board. Look at there. Christmas bell. Christmas is coming up. So I'm just taking everything out, and then I will make room for it, put it where it goes, and just organize. Up there's my apple seeds, my watermelon seeds. Goodness gracious. Up my red apple seeds. I need to plant these. So, all right. Coming along. Merry Clarksmas. Look at here. Christmas Vacation, National Lampoon. Playing cards. That's awesome. We have a lot of playing cards. That is for sure. There's my new thing of paper. I've been looking for this. I knew I had another one. This is what I use on my porch to put in the siding to be able to hang things, and I definitely need that. Blue light. I'm just going to go ahead and get this clean, and I'll come back and show you what it looks like.